If we want to differentiate y is equal to ln of x, then if y is equal to ln of x, then if c is equal to log a of b, that means that b will be equal to a to the c. So we need to remember that ln of x means log to the base e of x. So this now will become x, and the base of ln is e to the power of y. So if we now differentiate this with respect to y, so we now find dx dy is equal, and we know when we differentiate e to any power that it's itself, e to the power of y will be differential of e to the power of y with respect to y will be e to the power of y. And then we can say that dy by dx, and if we take the reciprocal of this and write it as dy by dx, that will be 1 over e to the y. Now, but e to the y was originally x, so we can now replace that, say that dy by dx will be 1 over x. And therefore we have the rule. So if y is equal to ln of x, then dy by dx will be equal to 1 over x. And this is a rule that needs to be learned. So in this video, I've shown you that if y is equal to ln of x and you want to find its differential, it's going to be 1 over x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.